The first thing that we need to consider in our business is the key partner. In order to open up this business, a good team is needed in order to make relationship, plan, create a better result for our business. As for us, Card Fashion will recruit some of our own colleagues to make our card possible. They will handle the printing and designing for our business card. We trust them as they have created a lot of interesting design. And secondly, we have Badan Cemerlang Bookstore as our textile supplier. They will provide us different type of card stock and supply for our printers. For our delivery process, we use Ninja Van as they provide the fastest parcel delivery. Lastly, our key partner is Phantom, which is the supplier of our laser printing machine, which will print the best quality card for our business. With this key partner, I'm sure that we can succeed this card business because the production team is full of talented people. Next, in order to open up our card business, we have listed some of the key or major activities that need to be done for Card Fashion. Firstly, a lot of cutting will need to be done by our workers. We will need to cut the card stock as much as possible to ensure that our card stock is enough for our buyer. By this, we can prepare our card for the next step of our activities, which is designing. When we are done with cutting, the cards will be transferred to our design team. They will create a unique and wonderful design for the card as it will attract people to buy. It is an important job for our crew at Card Fashion to make sure the design is attractive to convince our customer in buying. Next is the printing job of the design made by our own Phantom printer. They will print and pasting the design that were made by the design team for the card and also ensure the quality of the design to be attractive or minimalist for our customer. So, our crew must take this job carefully and make sure the design base has a good quality and durability. In order to ensure it, we choose this laser mid-range Phantom printer. Last but not least, we will announce our design card that were made by promoting the design in our social media to hype our customer even before they buy it. We will have to make sure that the stock provided for our customer is enough, and we can also take online order from our social media, as online shopping is the easiest way to reach out to us and the best way to buy our card. Lastly, we will have to deliver the card by shipping it or move it to our franchise around the state. We choose Ninja Van for the delivery of card toward all the customer around the state. Ninja Van also need to make sure the cards will arrive to our customer on time of what we have promised, because it will affect our customer satisfaction in buying our cards. By then, the postage must be quick and on time, as it can make our customer happy with their brand new design business card that they buy from us.
Key resources. As we can see in our business plan, we have 3 types of key resources, which are shop lot, the office equipment, and the courier that we use. So let's jump to the first one, which is shop lot. We use an Instagram as our main shop, as we do an online business. So we post the design that we have sketched and draw in the feed to attract other people to use our service. We also use WhatsApp as our platform to promote our business. So next, the office equipment. For making the design of business card, we need a laptop and a good internet, since we design the card by using the main app, which is Procreate. And the third also, lastly, is the courier, the nearest delivery service with our place, and have a good service, which is fast delivery and open for 24 hours. So we use their services as our main delivery. And then we have cost structure. As we know, cost structure is divided by 2 types, which is fixed and variable. For the fixed cost, we calculate that the app Procreate is under the fixed cost. The price for the app do not increase or decrease. We paid once and we can use whenever we want. The internet also under the fixed cost, which is the price for the internet remain as before, and we only need to pay once per month with the same price. And the variable cost is the utility, which is the bills of electricity. When we use laptop as our main equipment, the electric might increase or decrease. The price is up and down every month and hardly to assume the price. Right, so the next one is value proposition. The value proposition in our business are firstly, we ease other people to promote their business, especially the seller who is just started their small business. They can use our services in order to attract a new customer and remain the older one. They can put the business card when they deliver their goods to the customer. In that way, the customer can tell their friends or their family by showing the business card. In the meantime, they can gain more customer. And the second value proposition is our service speed up the new seller or the experienced one because they do not have to think a new design to do their business card, instead using our services. They even can customize their own card if the existing design do not suit the
Customer relationship. This is an important component of the business model canvas or BMC, since it specifies the kind of relationship you have with each of your customer segment. Customer experience are strongly influenced by the ties you have with them. It's up to you to mold that and provide the best possible experience for your customer. It's all part of the service you offer, as well as extending your brand and personality throughout all your activities, including communication touchpoint. Customer may have specific expectations for the types of relationship you should form with them. It can be beneficial to consider what they might be and how to put them in practice. As an owner of the business, we need to keep and expand customer relationship in order to grow company revenue. There are three methods and refer to the business, which is business card design. The seller use an upselling method. Seller offer two design using editing tools with new editing tools with a different price. The normal price for designing card is RM50 ringgit. So with this new offer, customer just need to pay RM25 ringgit. The upselling method will make customer feel an upsell is helping them to win. Next, channels or marketing channels. Channel is how you will communicate with customer in order to convey your value proposition. This could be done in a variety of ways, including face-to-face or through social media. Also, channel is how product get from company to customer. Own channels and indirect channels are two ways to communicate with customer. Own channel might be direct, such as a website, or indirect, such as a company's retail location. Partner channels are always indirect and might range from a wholesaler to retail location. Business card design using one of effective channels by using organic social media marketing. Organic social media marketing is the way to promote without a paid promotion. It uses free social media tools. For this business, we use WhatsApp for promoting. This business focus to promote every day at WhatsApp platform. We also want to add more platform for promoting by using Instagram and website. It will be easier because customer can directly asking about the service. For distribution channels, this business is directly selling to customer, which is from producer to consumer.
So the next part is customer segmentation. Basically, customer segmentation is a method we use to dividing customer into group based on common characteristics, so we can market to each group effectively. The reason why we need to do customer segmentation because it will allow marketer to better target different audience group with their marketing effort. Second, we can choose the most effective communication channel for the segment. Third, we can identify strategy to improve existing product or develop a new one. And the last one, we can improve the customer service. We can do the customer segmentation. We can use a lot of methods like face-to-face or telephone interview, survey, general research using published information about market category. So for our business plan project, which is card fashion, in factor geographic, we will look at the nearest area. Because we are located at Bangi Selangor, we target customer from Putrajaya, Kajang, and Bangi. For the next factor, which is demographic, we target women. because woman is more interested in the charming design but still professional. The next factor is psychographic. We target customer with a very firm stand. And the last factor is behavioral. We choose customer who want to shine up their business card. So the next part is revenue stream. Revenue stream is a source of revenue of company or organization. Revenue is the income or increase in net assets. Commercial revenue may also be referred to as a sale or as turnover. Some companies receive revenue from interest, loyalties, and other fees. They are operating revenue and non-operating revenue. Operating revenue is basically the amount earned from the company core business operation. For example, for our business plan project, our core business is card design. Non-operating revenue is money earned from the business side activities. For example, for our business plan, our side activities is selling a journal. There are a lot of type revenue model, such as transaction based on revenue, service revenue, project revenue, and recurring revenue. For our group, we are project revenue because we earn money through one-time project with existing or a new customer. There are many different accounts that are used by business in various industry. For our business plan project, the revenue account that we use is revenue from goods sale or service fees. This is the core operating revenues account for most business, and it is usually given a specific name such as sale revenue or service revenue.